guys, welcome to another video. It is a new month that we are on here, and I'm going to be talking to you guys in today's video about specifically how you can create your first free funnel. Let's go ahead and hop onto my computer so I can share with you some more. Hey guys, welcome. I know that was a short introduction, but I wanted to just get into the video because I'm so happy to be sharing this. If you guys are here for the first time on my channel, welcome first and foremost. This channel is all about tips that help you pave the way for your dreams to come true. It's how I use basically affiliate marketing to be able to grow online and use it as a side hustle. I do have a full-time job. I'm doing this on the side and I'm documenting my journey on this channel. So if you're interested, definitely hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you get access to all the 3 videos that I post every single week. So you're getting 12 to 15 videos basically every month from me on specific topics. And on a Monday, I talk about cash flow. On a Wednesday, which is today, we're talking about the tools that I use, everything that's related to the more nerdier side of affiliate marketing. And on a Friday, I talk about the strategy that you can see on screen. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to jump into actually how to create a free funnel itself, the main core element of all of this. So this is the chunk that is part of the training. And if you guys like what you see, definitely hit that subscribe button and comment below and let me know if this is the kind of format that you would like, because in the past I've been talking about the strategy first, but today I want to specifically focus on the main chunk of this video and then get into how it's beneficial for you guys to have a sales funnel in the first place. So first and foremost, most of the people that when you're looking at affiliate marketing, you're getting started with affiliate marketing or any kind of marketing for that matter, even if it's an offline business, you're looking at creating a funnel. Guys, from a supermarket to everything that you see, every single touch point of advertising is part of a larger funnel. What this basically means is that you have a lot of people interested in a product that has a limited value, supply and demand, right? So because it has a limited value, they have to funnel out and make sure that they're selling to the right people. We're all giving that product to the right person. So the sales funnel takes away all the noise and keeps the people who are interested in your offer. Now that can be from just promoting online and people doing their research on Amazon and stuff like that, or seeing us in the supermarket, you have on display different brands and stuff like that of what you're looking to buy. All of that is part of the entire, so the branding and everything is part of the entire funnel that then gets the ideal customer. The focus is the ideal customer, but you're honing down your skill sets on actually doing this. Now, in the digital online space or digital marketing space, we leverage tools. So I personally leverage tools with which is called system.io to be able to create this whole process. And it's basically step 2 that you can see right here. So your advertising that goes to a landing page or a capture page or a money page, as people call it, many things out there, but basically it's a way to collect information that then goes to a bridge page, which is basically a thank you page or maybe a bridge page that introduces the offer, that starts to build that relationship with your potential customer, right? Remember, think about the sales process in terms of the sales funnel of when you go to the supermarket to buy a specific product, right? Why do you have people there to give you that information, to talk to you about it? And that's what that bridge page is basically doing, to have that effect on you. And then finally, it goes to the offer that you actually own or you are an affiliate for, okay? Whether it's a software service or whatever it is for that matter. This is the entire sales process and this is the entire sales funnel. Then when the person actually purchases it, you're going to make a sale. And as you can see right here, I put 1 to 5% usually convert if the sales process is done correctly. If anything is converting less than this, then guys, at least in the digital marketing space, then you really need to see your copy. You need to see your whole sales process, whether you need to edit some certain things, because this should be the minimum, in my opinion, conversion rate that you see within the market itself. Okay, a 1 to 5%. This is just on the sales process. Now, let me scroll down and then also tell you at the same time you're collecting an email address, which is then part of another kind of funnel itself, which is an email funnel that you're building, an email campaign that you're building. But we're not going to be talking about that today. We're specifically going to be talking about this funnel. A lot of the times to create these funnels, you have tools like, let's say, ClickFunnels out there, and ClickFunnels costs you. This is the top-notch tool, and it's an amazing tool. You can see how many things it includes. Like you can have so much done. It's a software company basically that's allowing you to do this. There are multi-millionaires that use this software. A lot of people out in the marketplace, actually, you most probably gone through this software without even realizing it, because people are using it for all kinds of businesses, really all kinds of businesses. Okay. And if I just scroll down to show you the pricing of the product, you can see that it costs you if you look at the monthly plans, it costs you $147 per month just to have this one software, right? So definitely the pricing, it can get costly when you're getting started. How do you get started with having this entire funnel process done for free? Well, personally, what I would suggest is to get started with System.io. Why am I telling you System.io? First and foremost, because you can build this entire funnel. Absolutely, you can have three sales funnels, not just one, but three sales funnels absolutely for free. And remember, we are at the whole purpose of this funnel is to make sure that you're creating a sale. So imagine that you have zero costs to get a tool, to get something. You don't have absolutely zero spend to be able to now leverage that tool and get and generate sales in your affiliate offers. So whether it's a software that you're using, whether it is an offer, a digital offer that you're selling, whether it's a product that you created yourself. Let's say that you have printables, or you have templates, or you have a physical product that you want to actually sell. Now you can create a whole sales process for it, go on your social media and promote it, do everything absolutely for free, have this funnel set up for free, and now you're earning commissions, you're earning income, you're getting income from it, and your tool is absolutely for free. So you can have three kinds of funnels. Let's say you have three products, three product ranges. You can do a lot with free funnels as it exists. Now the contacts here, as you can see right here, is the limitation, but the funnels itself, you can build three sales funnels absolutely for free. So it's something that's very, very powerful, and that's one of the main reasons why I'm sharing this with you. But when you go about thinking, should I build actual sales funnel? How do I build my first sales funnel for free? First and foremost, use a tool like System.io. Now, there are other tools out there, but I would suggest use the tool like System.io because it is a very solid tool and a professional tool to have within your business itself. So that's the first thing you can do to build a free sales funnel. The second thing that you can do to build a free sales funnel is actually, or start building start building a whole sales funnel, is actually looking at this strategy that I have in place, because the strategy that I have in place has a couple of elements. It's specifically related to make money online, or business opportunities, or digital marketing products in itself, and it has two steps. The first step is related to cash flow, and the second step is related to actually this entire sales process that I'm talking about. Within the course, I have a course in the description of this video that explains all of it, and you can see that it's a tips with Dave course, so you'll be able to get it in case you want it. And within that course, I actually have created, and I'm going to show you guys this, a two-step free funnel, which basically goes through a landing page and a thank you page, and also gives you the opportunity. So if you go and look at this page, basically this thank you page, you have a free video from myself, a free training, also proof of products, that the affiliate offers that does exist. And all you need to do is, once you get the offer, so you can get the offer from here by clicking on this link. And then once you get the offer, you can actually just add your own affiliate link here. And this is a page, this is a free funnel that does the selling and telling for you. So that's the second way to get a free funnel, okay? And I go through it completely within my course. So make sure that you do check the course in the description of this video to be able to get this strategy. That's the second way. So let me just summarize it. First way, get System.io, build it yourself. Start to build it yourself. Start to use it yourself. Get involved with this tool. The second thing is to actually get the course, and that's how you can get a free funnel itself. Now, the other thing is, when I'm saying about let's just go through these two things. If I go to the fact that you need to build it, look how simple it is, okay? Literally all you need to do, and let me just go through this whole process for you. I don't think I'll be able to create another funnel, but just to show you guys, all you need to do is click on create. Let me make myself a little bit smaller. Okay, you put the name of your funnel here. So say it's new funnel. Okay, and then this is a way you can build an audience. That's the aim. Okay, let's say we want to build an audience, and I put save. I don't know whether it will be able to build, but let's see. Yeah, okay, so this is out of my funnel plan. But once you create that, basically you'll be able to have these different steps right here, and you can add a step. And just to show you as an example, I'm just going to put test, and we can choose what kind of page. So it really depends if you want an opt-in page to collect the emails, a sales page, a webinar if you want to have a webinar, and so on, and start to build these pages yourself. When you do create it, let's say you want to create another template right here, okay? So I can go to easily change page template. I don't want to apply any changes right here actually, because this is another one. So let's just go to my funnels again. I'm going to show you another page that I have so that you guys get an idea. If you go to change page template right here, all changes will be lost, etc. I can basically have another page built here. Now I have the maximum amount of pages, so I can't have any more pages unless I move to the next payment plan. But basically, you have this page that you can create like this. This is a separate page. I don't use it yet, but this is one of the pages that I created. And you can just click on edit after that and start to drag and drop and edit these pages according to how you see fit. Like for example, this I need to change this button. I need to edit it. So for now, let's say I delete it and I add maybe a form input here just to show you guys. Okay, and then I can have a form input here of what this form needs to be. So let's say the form input needs to have the first name. Okay, so and then I add the first name right here. This is just to show you guys how simple it can be. The same thing you would need to do with when you need to add an email address. And then after, for example, right now, I would add a button below this, and I can make this, I can edit this button as I want. So let's say we want it full width, it becomes full width right here. And then I can edit the text and so on and so forth. And this way I'm building the first step of the funnel. Once I've built the first step of the funnel, yes, we save. Once we build the first step of the funnel, you then go to the VSL, which is like, for example, create a very simple VSL like I've done right here, and you get access to this option, right? And then it goes to an order form if you have a physical product, but you start to build it out basically on your own. And this is how System.io actually works. In order for you, and you might be wondering, but David, it doesn't make sense for me to get System.io if I'm not sure how to use the tool. You don't need to worry, because within System.io itself, they have they have a course which basically gives you an entire certification. And in this certification, it goes through exactly how to build the funnels, what is the tab that you need, how does the tabs work, how does the editor work, how does the automation work, how does the sales process work. Everything is right there. So you can learn how to build a funnel for whatever your needs are based on this strategy. So by the way, just to be super simple and clear, there are two ways, in my opinion, how you can build a free sales funnel. Yes, you can use other tools if you want out there, but my suggestion is to use System.io absolutely for free. And then you can start to collect emails as well and build your entire sales process. If you do not want to collect, if your sales process it looks different from this, you can still use this tool to be able to do whatever you need to do. If you don't want to collect emails, you can still have the pages running for you. Although I would always suggest to collect emails. Even if you do not want to collect emails and just want to have a sales process, you can create a sales funnel here. So if you want to build your first sales funnel, additionally, completely done for you. And if you have any questions, my course, my Facebook group is all in the description to help you guys on your journey with affiliate marketing. I use it as my number one tool. It's the only tool actually that I use in my entire structure. So the way this strategy works is I literally spend $30 every single month to maintain this entire model that I'm using, and the rest is all profit for me. So I share those results on a monthly basis. You can hit that subscribe button and bell notification if you want to see those results every month. But again, System.io is a tool that's absolutely for free. You can build your first free funnel in it if you want yourself. You can utilize the certification to help you even more, and add it to which they have other courses that are available. So let me just go back a little bit and show you guys the Explore courses. You have the entire, if you want to use an email list using System.io, if you want to make sure that copy sells, if you want to learn how to create a course, how to turn into a business course, how to do, a lot of things right here, how to make your first $1,000 with System.io and using affiliate marketing and everything else. It's all right here, all these lessons, and they're worth it. So guys, think about it, make a decision. No one can guarantee you how to make, how to guarantee you any results, but what you can do is start to use these tools. They are a fundamental part of your journey. If you don't start, then who will? That's my question to you. Okay. If you don't start, nothing's going to happen. If you don't take the action, nothing's going to happen. We are here documenting my journey, and my entire whole process has taken me, well, I've done quite a bit of income in the last year just by following this on a part-time basis. So put in the work and the effort, learn the essentials of affiliate marketing, and take action. If you want to do that, as I said, my course is there in the description of this video. I'm going to see you guys on Friday, where we're going to be talking about the entire strategy in a little bit more detail. And I have some interesting information that's going to be shared. And if you couple that with this tool right here, you're going to definitely see more progress in your journey as we go along. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for dreams come true. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.